Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can hide apps on Android. So on certain devices you can directly go into your phone settings, like I'm doing now for example, open in the search, and here just input the query of hide apps or hidden apps or something of that nature. And some devices, for example Xiaomi, if I'm recalling it correctly, will allow you to just directly open this feature, add hide apps, and then just easily access them. But not all the devices provide you with such functionality, since, like, for example, my Google Pixel device does not allow for direct, the direct process of hiding apps, should I say. But you can absolutely still do that, but through more additional steps pretty much. So first, in order to be able to hide apps and put them under a lock, if you will, you'll need to set up the private space feature, which, once again, if I'm not mistaken, should be available on every individual Android device. And if it's not, most probably your smartphone has the built-in hide app feature, which you will need to find through your device's settings. Anyway, enough talking. Now open your device's settings, enter security and privacy category, and here look for the private space. If you won't be able to find it here, just once again use the settings search. Here, before I'm able to set up the private space, I'll need to enable a screen lock. So let me quickly do that, and just for the sake of security and privacy, I recommend that you, if you do have a screen lock in place, you set up a separate password for your private space. That's my privacy advice that I have for you. So now the private space is completely set up. I can now access it by opening its preferences and, well, do whatever I please with its settings. Here you have a very important hide private space option, which you probably want to switch on if you're looking to hide your apps, right? And now you will be able to access the private space typically by opening the app drawer, scrolling all the way down, and here that's how it looks when it's locked, or rather it is fully hidden. Now let me actually quickly get back to the settings so I can actually access it properly and unhide it for a moment. Give me a second here. We will also together figure out how to actually access it in case it is properly hidden. So let's go ahead and switch it on. So as you can see, when the private space is hidden, you'll need to open the search bar, enter the private space, tap private space, and then unlock it. Anyway, if it is unhidden but locked, it will be accessible through your app drawer as this little private section. So now we will input the password, and here are the private or hidden apps. Now you can manage it. Obviously, you can unhide the apps or install new ones, but, well, I'm offline at the moment, so I won't be able to do that, unfortunately. Now let's see if we can directly drag the apps to the hidden space, which we cannot, unfortunately. And, well, as far as this video goes, that will be more or less it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.